Everyone, this is People Vlog. Sa palit ng Apple News, thank you, Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad ka gawa natin reaction video ang CJ compilation. So I won't take any longer. Let's start this reaction video. Let's check it out kung ano naman yung mga atake ng CJ natin dito for today's video. Ay, mag-holding hands pa sila. Ay, akala ko si CJ to. Sino yan? Si CJ? Sino yan? Ay, akala ko si Steven. Pero parang may pagka-Steven siya, no? Kung naka-blurry. Pero hindi siya si Steven. Hindi siya si Steven. Gwapo, no? Gwapo ni Steven. Tas, ay, hindi pala tayo naka-auto-scroll. Okay. Ay, what they say while sitting doing this super random dance. Okay. Anong reaction ni JL? Ay, ang atake niya talaga, asawa siya. Best in cheer talaga siya. Yun talaga yung atake niya. Ang atake niya, asawa talaga siya mga mami. Sa totoo lang. Wala na tayong magagawa dyan kung yan yung atake niya. Ang atake ni kabayan natin for today's video na akala mo naman talaga walang bukas. Oh, ito yung nandidate sila. Ay, my God, namamaga talaga yung arms niya. I swear, namamaga talaga yung arms niya. Grabe. Namamaga. Ay, where's the light, diba? Where's the light? Namamaga talaga. Pa? Namamaga talaga ang arms niya. Ay, natin. Si Parka naman, best. Bakit yun naman tinakpan si Parka? Grabe naman kayo. Grabe kayo kay Parka. It's the armpits of Parkan for today's video, I swear. It's the armpits of Aham. It's eme. Eme kayo. Eme talaga kayo. Ay, oh. Ay, pinapakita niya talaga ang kahinaan natin. Ay. Alam mo, may kakaiba talaga sa kilikili niya, I swear. Akala ko kay Kim Min lang na kilikili ang pinaka-sexy. Okay.
아니 공사인 줄 알았어.
Tama. Oh. Okay. Ano yung damit niya? Laguna? Lagan? Laguna ba? Sorry ah. Ay, cute. Wow, why is the muscle is sulking? I know, right? Tell me you're jealous without telling me. Ganon. Oh. TJ Moments at Kansai Collection. Tinan mo si kabayan. Takoyakin rice bowl. Sarap. Matcha. Oh my God, matcha. Asang-asa na naman doon si kabayan.
konnichiwa, hope JS楽しんでください. konnichiwa, Steveです.
Asang-asa na naman si kabayan doon. Ay? Kansay. Wait lang, so nag-kansay sila, nag-Osaka sila, something like that. Ay, atake talaga sila. Hindi mo kaya. Ay, diba? Bakod na bakod. Binakuran niya talaga. Sinasabi ko sa inyo, ganun talaga dapat, Steven. Charing. What is bakod na bakod for today's video? Ay, ang cute. Ay, silang dalawa lang dyan? Nag-date? Sila lang ba? Can someone comment down below kung sila lang? Maganda naman kasi talaga siya. Wala tayong magagawa dyan. Parang dull. Di ba parang dull siya? Very dull. Parang alam mo yung gan.
달콤한 고백 멘트까지 주시고
Ay. Wait. Ay, tawang-tawa ako dito. Tawang-tawa talaga ako dito kahapon sa eksena nila na to. Di ba lang? Salamat. Uy. Sino yung girl?
Masaktan man ang puso ko, tama na.
Anyways. Wait.
You know this song? Oh, yes. Huh, I like that song.
Steven, parang siyang si Hirono talaga. Very Hirono talaga siya. Got shot, got the
Is this one? I don't know. Play it. This one!
It's always the facial expression.
I don't know, either one.
Okay.
You know this one? Oh yeah, I think I know it. I wanna do this one. You deserve all things you want, baby. Try cool, said you wanna drive it down real slow. I just wanna love you like I do, 'cause I never had someone like you. Ain't nobody got this love, let me caught, ain't nobody, babe. All I need is love, I just wanna run away with you. You heard them. You heard him.
You've heard them.
I wanna do it.
Ay.
Oh,
Oh.
JO has a playlist called Steven Young.
and there's only one song.
And you're right.
Ay. Kailan to yung nag-meeting sila? Wait, isave ko to. I-bookmark ko to. Anyway, so this is our for today's video. Our Aho TJ, this is Steve Vlogs, and see you on my next vlog.